Hey guys, this is Brad Barnes of Barnes 4-Wheel Drive. Today we want to take a little bit closer look at our Heim joint kits we have to offer. Okay guys, so let's take a look at what we have here on the table. When you're looking at a Heim joint kit, the very first thing you want to decide is what size Heim joint am I shopping for. So we've got two different joints here. We have a 3/4 Heim and a 3/4 5/8 Heim. So when you're looking at the descriptions, the very first number, in this case a 3/4 for both options, refers to the threaded shank on the Heim joint. The second number is the bore in the spherical bearing. All of our Heim joint kits are offered in both right hand and left hand. So in the kits there's several different options. You can choose products you want to add to the kit, or you can leave them out. So for instance, we have the jam nuts, you can add those. We have variations on misalignment spacers. So we have like a standard high misalignment spacer here. This particular spacer is a 3/4 to 5/8. That means this spacer is designed to fit in a spherical bearing with a 3/4 bore, and it's going to step the bolt hole size down to 5/8. This particular spacer, when installed, will give you a 2-inch mounting width. If we look at this option beside it, this high misalignment spacer is a 3/4 by 5/8 wide. So what this does is it'll fit again in your 3/4 bore. It's going to step it down to a 5/8 bolt hole, but this combination, when installed, will give you a 2 5/8 mounting width. The advantage of the high misalignment spacer is just as the name implies. It's going to allow you to get more deflection out of your joint or more misalignment. In the case where the bolt hole size is more important than the amount of misalignment, we also offer standard misalignment spacers. This example here will maintain the 3/4 bolt to match the 3/4 bore in the spherical bearing and give you a 2-inch mounting width. So if you want to add a tube insert, there's several different options. We actually even have some for square tubing as well. With the drop-down menu on the options, you'll see the different measurements of the tube inserts that you're shopping for. This way you can find the tube insert that best matches the material size that you're going to be welding it into. The great thing about our Heim joint kits is it ensures that you're going to get products that are compatible with each other. If you're in a Heim joint kit, no matter what choices you make, all the products you choose are going to be compatible with each other. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you out on the trail soon.